Okay, so I removed the cover of the snail carrier, cargo carrier, whatever you want to call it. You can see I have the horns mounted up front. I just built a little wooden frame that everything is attached to. There's one of the two compressors. There's a dual 444 compressors from Horn Blasters. And then this is an air tank just from my local hardware or parts store, auto parts store. I of course bought a overpressure valve, and then there is the pressure valve to kick the compressors on when the pressure gets low. I also put an air chuck in the other side, which makes it nice if I need to air up my tires or something. If I get a flat tire, I could do that. And on this side I have a pressure gauge as well as a male nipple on there that I can hook up another air tank to fill it up quickly if I had to a bigger air compressor. There's the other 12 volt air compressor, and of course my K3HA. On the inside of my, I'll walk over here, on the inside of my car I wired this up so it can be used with the stock horn. I wired it so on the right hand side I can shut the compressors on and off. The blue switch, if I turn it on, if there's pressure needed in the air tank, it will kick the air compressors on. And the left hand black switch is a three-way switch that when it's down, my stock horn just works. If I put it in the middle, neither horn works, and if I push the switch up, the air horn will work with my steering wheel horn switch.